Hi there, I'm Joel from Joel Hook Property and welcome to 14 Peachtree Crescent in Peregian Springs. This highly desirable location is in a quiet leafy street right next to a park. There's no neighbour to the east side. Let's take a look inside. This immaculately maintained home will perfectly suit those who want low maintenance, peace and quiet, and ample natural light. Some homes just have a feel that can't be described through the lens of a camera. I highly recommend you come and see the home for yourself and see if you feel it too. I look forward to meeting you at the next open home.